हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे ऐसे ऑन मोबाइल फ़ोन एडवांटेजेस एंड इट्स डिसएडवांटेजेस। तो दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ अब जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही बेल आइकन बटन को भी प्रेस कर दें। मोबाइल phones have become a very important part of our daily lives. It is very difficult to imagine our life without a cell phone, as most of our work is done using cell phones. Mobile phones have become a necessity for life, and without this gadget, many people would feel incomplete. We now use mobile phones in our everyday life as a phone, voice recorder, diary, alarm clock, watch, and for making and confirming appointments, dealing with clients, etc. Through your cell, you can go online and check your email. You can play games on your cell phone. You can even listen to music and watch video clips. You can surf internet by paying a modest amount. With mobile phones, you can communicate with anyone from anywhere at any time. Mobile phones have become a source of unlimited entertainment. The things which we never thought would be present in a mobile phone are now possible. Smartphones have come into existence, which not only help you in making calls but also help you to stay entertained by allowing you to play games, listen to music, and do lots of other stuff. Mobile phone even comes with special apps for kids to increase their brainstorming, which is pretty good. Negative impact of cell phones. It is true that mobile phones can help students in studies, but only if they use them wisely. Most of the students become addictive to mobile phones and are found playing games, chatting with their friends, and watching movies and other stuff. Mobile phones led to a lot of accidents. A lot of people do their daily work, drive while taking on mobile phones. Research studies have also claimed that mobile phones have a negative impact on health of an individual. If you are using mobile phone for long hours daily, it might lead to serious health issues. Internet contains some immortal websites that can damage a career of young person. तो दोस्तों, ये था ऐसे ऑन मोबाइल फ़ोन। दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ आप इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें, इस वीडियो को शेयर करें। आप इस वीडियो को फेसबुक, व्हाट्सएप के तहत शेयर कर सकते हैं, अपने दोस्तों को इस चैनल के बारे में बता सकते हैं। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं ऐसी और वीडियोस देखने में तो प्लीज़ आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही बेल आइकॉन बटन को भी प्रेस कर दें। थैंक यू।